Welcome to Novel Biotech Uganda. I'm Dr. Joseph Mawula. We are here to provide you with natural supplements that help manage different illnesses. Last time we talked of indigenous capsules. These are very good for joint pain, those with arthritis. You might be having rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, the different types of arthritis. Those with gout, you can come and use it. That is accumulation of uric acid in your joints. So you can come and use indigeno. Those with back pain, you have knees that are paining, we talked about these indigeno capsules. We also talked about the B15 capsules. These are good for sinusitis, for allergies, those with any other respiratory issue, those with sore throat, those who need brain boosters, you can as well use this B15. So those who missed, you can come or you can watch our previous videos on B15 and indigeno capsules. We also talked about the B14 capsules. B14, usually they are good for those who are diabetic, those who are hypertensive, and those who have ulcers. Here at Novel Biotech, we treat and cure ulcers, we cure diabetes. So feel free to visit us or call on 0755 18 50 50. That's our prominent number. Or you can reach us at Makai Plaza, opposite Mkwano Mall, Wachiseka area. That's Chagwe Road. We on level 1. Shop number M3199. Today we've come with what we say go back to school package for your child. Go back to school package. If you have a child who's going back to school, irrespective of being a boarding section or that one commuting from home, you can get this go back to school package, because a child can get sick from home, and at the same time, a child can get sick when he or she is at school. So this combines both the scholars and the boarders. So come and get this package. This package constitutes what we call a cough syrup. You know, when your child is disturbed so much with what we call a cough, it might be allergic or normal cough. Just come and get this cough syrup. Let that child go back with this cough syrup for boarders. You put it in his or her suitcase, then she goes back with it. When she has cough or flu, let her open, just take a little. Then she'll be fine. She'll be ready to go to class. You cannot study when you're sick. Parents know that. You cannot study when you're sick. So this is a cough syrup. If your child is disturbed so much with cough and flu, get this cough syrup. It's called Novel cough syrup. It's one of the most effective cough syrups in Uganda. So get cough syrup. It's very friendly for children. She will be better. She can now study very well. Then instead of buying Blue Band Prestige, you buy for her honey. Just buy for her honey. This honey is 7,000 shillings. You know, they are what we call healthy supplements. On her blade, let her smear honey. It is less in calories. There are no fats. Like when you say those, I don't know, whatever you put on your bread, I wouldn't like to talk on any of the brands. Instead of putting the blue bands and so whatever, let her put on honey. You know, there's a way you groom your life. When you grow up and you're always getting sick, it means the way you've been nurturing your life is not the right way. So instead of using all those fatty supplements, let her use honey. Some of your children are very fat. They are becoming obese, and you're still putting fat things in a suitcase. Put in honey. As simple as that. So let your child live a simple life, a simple but healthy lifestyle. Not because you have money, you keep on logging in fat. She'll get pressure at the age of 20. You see what you've done to your children. So at this time, children are our responsibility. The students are our responsibility. You have to know what they need to eat, what they don't need to eat. It is our responsibility as parents. There are those children you know very well, all their teeth are paining, they are very sensitive. They can't even eat any popcorn, they can't eat peanuts, and you're busy buying peanuts, putting in the suitcase, instead of buying Novel toothpaste. Because with this toothpaste, her teeth will be very healthy. They will not be paining. Those we say the color powder Her teeth will be very white. In simple terms, they will not be sensitive. So she'll be able to study. You cannot study when you have a toothache. You cannot study. Just imagine, if you ever had one, you cannot study when you have a toothache. So put Novero toothpaste in your suitcase. It is 10,000. It can run the entire term. Or if it gets finished, when you're going to visit, take her one. No one will remove this at school. If they say it is a toothpaste, can you remove a toothpaste? It's a day-to-day routine. Then you have children who have like skin rashes, itchy skin. The itchy skin might be a result of allergies. Just buy for her Joma, buy soap. Put it in her suitcase. It will help her so much. Because time for prep for her, she's busy scratching the skin, busy in towels, doesn't want to go to preps. It's because of allergies. Get her the Joma. Let her base with Joma herbal soap. Then for those with allergies, asthma, sinusitis, we can give her the Novero cedar oil and Novero eucalyptus oil. Because if somebody if a student is getting asthma attacks every day, how will she or he study? You cannot study when you're getting attacks. Even after 1 week, she's home. It means she's not completed her syllabus with a friend. At the end of the day, she'll end up becoming the last in class. So you can get her Novero cedar oil and Novero eucalyptus oil for those who are asthmatics, or those with sinusitis, and those with allergies. Get your children these. Let them be part of the go back to school kit. You can reduce on the amount of GNATs you're packing and include this one. It will be very good. These days, ulcers have no age. You can find a child of 3 years with ulcers. Some of them are born with ulcers. Ulcers can be genetic. Others have the pylori. They have eaten it in food at school or at home. We can get that bacteria from food, the food we eat, or even water we drink, because it's available in the environment. When you put this Novero HP killer in your suitcase, give it to the school nurse. The school nurse will be mixing for her at a spoon. At the end of 1 week, she'll be fine. She can be able to study. Other than being in class, it's almost lunchtime. The teacher's finalizing, is giving a simple exercise for her. She's busy in the stomach. So, our parents, let's look after our children. Let's mind about what they are taking to school. Some of you even put it, they are called teddy bears. What? Those dolls in the suitcase. That's the use of that doll to a children, to a child of senior 6. I don't know whatever you're nurturing, but instead put for her HP killer. It will be better, because this one, it help her. Don't nurture the ulcers, because by the time she's a woman, she'll be like breeding, getting out feces with blood. That one is called ulcerative colitis. Okay, the ulcers will be now in advanced stages. They can no longer chew. But this time when she's just feeling burning sensations, gas, we can handle very fast. So get your child HP killer in case she has ulcers. There are children who are always prone to infections. Every week they are calling, she has an infection. She needs to be taken to the big hospital. Just put for her Chewer's oil in the suitcase. Whenever she's feeling any itching, any discharge, any vaginal discomfort, she can put in hot water and drink. For you, the parents at home, you can even use the steaming oil. Just put a little in a bucket, 5 drops, steam yourself. It's called Novero steaming oil. So this is a go back to school package. Your child has asthma, as we said, sinusitis, allergies. You can buy her anti-sinus tea. It's so available. Instead of putting these other teas on tea at school, let her drink Novero anti-sinus tea. She'll be very fine. She can as well use eucalyptus tea. We also have eucalyptus tea for her. She can use it. This is just 10,000. It can run the entire term. So your children is Go back to school package is very cheap. You say cough syrup is 5,000. You see the honey is 7,000. The toothpaste is 10,000. Just reduce on the amount of generics you're packing. Those who are putting teddy bears, you remove them. Those are big women and men. Just put for them things that can help them be healthy. Put in things that can enable them study safely. And then there will be important people in the future. Just imagine studying very well and you get good grades. At the end of the day, your ulcers have turned to cancers. Would that child benefit the entire country? There would be doctor who will just die at the age of 30, 20. So let's mind about the life of our children. Let's mind about what they take back to school. Just call on our number 0755 18 50 50. That's our most prominent number. Or 0783 65 4972. Then you can get hope. Tell us the situation of your child. Then we shall recommend what your child can go with when going back to school. So let's mind about our children. Parents, I advise, I'm a parent, say no. All my children, they use novel toothpaste. The cough syrup is always there. They know even how much they can take. I remain Dr. Joseph Mawula from Novel Biotech. Subscribe, like, share to your friends, share to your colleagues. Put in the school's WhatsApp group. Let everyone know. Because we must mind about our children. We love them so much. So they should as well study when they are healthy. So share, subscribe, and follow us. This is Dr. Joseph Mawula from Novel Biotech, the leading biopharma company in Uganda. If you have diabetes, come for us here. We treat and heal diabetes. If you have ulcers, come, I shall treat you. Tell us your health challenge and we shall help you. I remain Dr. Joseph Mawula from Novel Biotech. Thank you for following.